when and how to eat breakfast in 2026. This is part 2 of our 2026 breakfast series. In part 1, we discuss what to eat. Today we focus on when and how to eat based on hormones, circadian rhythm, and the powerful role of simple walking. Compiled by Dr. Siva Navaratnam and ChatGPT, my education partner. Let's talk about why timing matters in the morning. When we wake up, our body is in a neutral state. Cortisol naturally rises. This is called the cortisol awakening response. It helps us wake up, mobilize energy, and get ready for the day. At the same time, the liver releases glucose into the blood even before we eat. This is a normal, healthy process to make sure the brain and muscles have fuel. Our insulin sensitivity and glucose handling also follow a circadian rhythm. In simple terms, the body's hormone is already busy adjusting in the first hour or two after waking. So if we eat immediately, we are stacking food on top of a system that is still hormonal settling. This is why, for many people, allowing about 60 to 120 minutes after waking before breakfast when practical may support better hormonal balance and smoother blood sugar control. This is not about focusing fasting. It's about respecting the body's natural morning rhythm. Our body runs on an internal clock called the circadian rhythm. This clock controls many of the hormones, include insulin, which handles sugar, ghrelin, which makes us feel hungry, and leptin, which tells us when we are full. Because of this clock, the way we handle glucose is not the same all day long. In the morning, afternoon, and evening, our body responds to food differently. When we eat in a way that matches our biological timing, instead of just the clock on the wall, our metabolism works more smoothly. Blood sugar control is better and appetite signals are clearer. So the practical message is simple. If we align breakfast with our internal body clock, rather than forcing fixed time, it may help with better glucose control and better appetite regulation. This slide is about metabolic flexibility. In simple terms, it means the body's ability to switch smoothly between burning fat and burning sugar. During the night, when we are not eating, the body mainly burns fat for energy. This is normal and healthy. If breakfast is delayed a little, that fat burning phase continues for longer. After we eat, especially a meal with protein and some carbohydrates, the body switches to using glucose. A healthy metabolism can move easily between these two fuels, fat during fasting and glucose after meals. So the practical message is this: allowing a comfortable overnight fasting period and not rushing into food the moment we wake up may help train the body to stay flexible and efficient in using both fat and glucose. Not everyone's day looks the same, but our biology is the same. Some people work regular 9 to 5 jobs and have fixed schedules. Others work from home, are retired, or have more flexible routines. Even though the routines are different, the body clock, hormones, and metabolism work in the same way for everyone. So the message is this: the biology is the same for all of us, only the daily routine is different. We just need to apply the same principles in a way that fits our own lifestyle. For people who work regular 9 to 5 hours, the day often starts early and is quite structured. First on waking, it is helpful to drink some water and get some natural morning light. This helps the body clock wake up properly. After waking, stress hormones like cortisol, blood sugar naturally rise for a while. So if possible, it is sensible to allow about 1 to 2 hours for these levels to settle before eating. Breakfast does not have to be eaten the moment you wake up. You can eat at home, or you can take the prepared breakfast to work and eat when true hunger appears. The key is that the breakfast should be based on protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which helps keep blood sugar stable and prevents mid-morning cravings. For some people who have flexible schedules, such as working from home or retirees, the same biology applies, but the timing can be a bit more relaxed. Start the morning by drinking some water, getting some daylight, and doing a little gentle movement like short walk or stretching. This helps wake up the body clock. Instead of eating by the clock, it is better to eat when true hunger appears. When you do have breakfast, keep the same principles. Start with protein, include healthy fats, and add fiber-rich foods. This supports good hormone balance and steady blood sugar and long-lasting fullness. Suggested morning routine before breakfast. Before breakfast, it helps to have a gentle morning routine to let the hormones and body clock settle. On waking, start with 1 or 2 glasses of water to rehydrate. Then try to get some natural light and do a little gentle walking or movement. This helps reset your circadian rhythm and prepares your body for the day. If you like a warm drink, water, green tea, or black coffee are fine. Avoid sugar and if needed, just a small dash of milk. This way, you are supporting your metabolism without causing an early sugar or insulin spike. How to eat breakfast 2026. Now let's talk about how to eat breakfast, not just what and when. The body responds very differently when we eat in a calm, relaxed state compared to when we eat in a rush or under stress. Try to sit down, slow down, and avoid screens or distractions while eating. Chew your food slowly, properly. This activates the body's rest and digest system, which helps digestion and hormone balance. When you eat calmly, your insulin works better, your fullness hormones work better, and your stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline stay lower. So the key message is this: how you eat is not just a habit. It is a powerful hormonal signal to your body. After you eat, a short walk can make a big difference. Even 10 to 15 minutes of gentle walking after breakfast helps lower the rise in blood sugar, helps insulin work better, and allows your muscles to take up glucose more easily. It also helps reset your body clock with morning light, supports overall metabolism. You don't need to walk fast. Even a slow, relaxed walk is beneficial. So the practical message is simple. Wherever possible, try to take a gentle 10 to 15 minutes walk after breakfast. It is one of the easiest and most powerful habits for metabolic health. So the key idea for 2026 is this: breakfast should not be driven by the clock on the wall, but by the clock inside your body. Your hormones, Your metabolism and your appetite all follow a daily rhythm. When you respect that rhythm and choose proteins, healthy fats, and fiber, you stay full for longer. Your blood sugar is more stable and cravings reduce. In short, eat by your body clock and not by the wall clock. Thank you for watching.